Hey crafty friend, it's Justine Dvorak from Stationery by Justine, where when I craft my world stands still. Today I want to show you 4 little quick cards that I made using the Hero Arts My Monthly Hero Kit. Now I'm going to show you 4 different cards. I pulled in all of the items from the My Monthly Super Hero Kit. Now, this is a monthly subscription from Hero Arts, and it is packed full of amazing items. First of all, there are 2 stencils in February for 2026. There are 3 different die sets, actually. 2 stamp sets with coordinating dies, including and coordinating dies for the sentiments, and then 4 half sheets of Spellbinders cardstock. And if you've watched my videos, you know I love that cardstock from Spellbinders. It is extremely high quality and a great color selection for spring is headed your way if you do pick up the My Monthly Superhero. I just want to let you know, if you're interested in this, you probably should jump on it kind of quickly because in January they sold out within days. So it is available now, today when this video is going up. I hope, at least. Who knows? It could be sold out by the time you're watching this, but I really loved making these spring cards. I especially love the 2 at the end that I'm going to show you. For this one, I did just want to mention I pulled in Hero Wax, which was from a kit from the last year's kit, actually, from I think it was the Halloween one, if I remember correctly, but it is just so pretty. It adds just the right amount of sparkle. And these flowers were really fun and different from other things that I had in my stash. Speaking of my stash, I pulled in the Stamp and Cut XL set. It's the Friend and Smile. This one is so fun. I use this one often, especially for quick cards, because of the big, giant sentiments of Smile and Friend. They are so nice. You can see here. I actually thought about making a A9 style card, which is a half sheet of paper folded in half. I know, it's huge, but I ended up cutting it in half. And you'll see here in just a second how I turned one card into 2. And the stamp set that has these little bunnies on it, I just could not resist making 2 because I had 2 special friends in mind for these cards. But here's just a little look at the sentiments that go with that Friend and Smile. And it's upside down. Hello, dyslexia. There we go. Isn't that really fun, though? Pulling from your stash and kind of giving it a new breath of life. I loved making these 2. I think my favorite is the one on the left. Be sure to let me know in the comments which one is your favorite from today. But just take a look at those flowers. Do you see all the sparkle there? I actually watercolored it with, well, first of all, I Copic colored it. Second, I watercolored it with gold watercolor. And then I added speckles from scrapbook.com on top. These ones, stickles on top, just to give a little extra shining glitter. And I just am all about these 2. I think they're so fun, and I know exactly who these 2 are going to. So let me know down in the comments which 2 are your favorite. I know I went kind of crazy with the splatter. I've been splattering up a storm in this winter time here. So I don't know. I kind of like it. I also used some foam to bump up the Friend and Smile dies for all 3 of the cards I used that die set on. I hope you enjoyed today's very short style video. And if you make any cards from this hero kit, I would love to see them on the Stationery Maker group. Thank you so much for watching and be a blessing. Bye-bye.